Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Grammar Fun. My name is Jaya and we will be learning grammar together. The chapter which we are going to learn today is articles. In this video, we are going to look at the worksheet. So let us begin. Fill in the blanks with either a, an or the. So three paragraphs are given and you have to fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Let us look at the first paragraph. I went to the airport. Now we are using the over here because we know which airport we are going to. So I went to the airport at 6 a.m. yesterday. I had to catch the flight to Paris. So the flight is already booked and you know the flight. It's a special flight. You know the specific flight. So you are using the there. The lines at the airport were very long. So the lines are in front of you, the queue. So it is very long. So you use the. So I had to wait a long time. You cannot say the long time. You will use a long time. Once the plane took off, now you are sitting inside the plane, so you know it is which plane it is. I tried to get some sleep, but I couldn't. Then I ate a pretty good meal. So it can be any meal, a pretty good meal, a rare occurrence on aeroplanes. So it's a rare occurrence. It is not usual that you get good meals in the plane. Later, I spoke to one of the flight attendants. So you know which girl you're talking to, so you're pointing it out. For a while. She was pretty. She told me that the pilot of the airplane, so pilot and the airplane, was French. I managed to fall asleep for about an hour. R H is silent, so an. After I woke up, I felt refreshed. I ordered a drink, then another. Generally, it was a pretty smooth flight. Let us look at the second paragraph. Jim, an old friend, old O is vowel, so an, of mine, used to work in downtown Los Angeles. He had a good job in one of the biggest law firms in the city. So, good job, a good job. Why the biggest superlative degree of adjective, the city, the particular city. He was an honest, hard-working lawyer. Honest H is silent, so an. But he hated his job. So he decided to quit and to become a surfer instead. Any kind of surfer. Now Jim spends his day surfing the waves of Malibu. So the particular wave, the specific. It isn't an easy life. ECE is vowel, but it makes him happy. Soon after he quit his job, Jim met a beautiful surfer named Jenny. A, because B is consonant. After they went out for a couple of months, C is consonant, they decided to get married. Now let us go to the third paragraph. At the beginning of the 20th century. So beginning, next, last, before that you will use the 20th, 13th, 14th, first, you will use the. East Los Angeles became a popular P is consonant, immigrant destination. In the early 1900s, Russians, Jews, Japanese and Mexicans all had a significant presence in the area. So you know the specific area, so the area. Living east of the river, that also you know the specific river, and working in nearby factories or traveling by electric rail into downtown Los Angeles, immigrants and their children helped fuel a prosperity of the growing metropolis. By the onset of World War II, East Los Angeles had almost become an exclusively Latino community, soon reinforced by an influx, exclusively influx, both are vowels, of Mexican workers who arrived to man the machines in the area's burgeoning war industries. So that is the end of the worksheet. That is the end of chapter 2 articles. I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.